Hi, this is Nate from PartsPak.com. Today we're going to be replacing the trim insert on a camper. As you can see here, this plastic insert is broken, and what that does is it allows water to get into the screws and permeate into the camper. So we need to replace this plastic insert. The tools that we'll be using today are a razor knife, a tape measure, screwdriver. We've got some denatured alcohol to clean the surface at the top. We have some self-leveling lap sealant we'll use to seal the top of the joint, paper towels, a rag, and we have the new roll of RV trim insert. This trim insert comes in different sizes, so we're going to use a tape measure in order to measure our channel. As you can see, our channel on our RV is about 5/8 of an inch, and we would pick the next size up for the insert. In this section we chose to do a 1-inch insert, so we'll show you how that works. Before we get started, I just wanted to mention a couple things about this trim insert. If we're looking at the side of the camper here, I'm down at the bottom. We have one attachment point down here that's got a Phillips head screw, and there's also some sealant down here. And then as we go up around to the top of the camper, the top of the trim strip is up here, and there's sealant up top and another screw. So we have to trim away the sealant first, access the screw, then undo the screw and pull out the old trim before we can put the new trim in. And then we'll come back up and clean the surface up there and put the new sealant on top. So that's the gist of the job that we're doing today. Here's the top of the joint. I just wanted to show you this. The trim will come up to about here and then back, so we're going to trim the old die-core sealant out of this area and clean this with denatured alcohol. Now we expect to see a screw right about here. So I'll clean that out and show you another video of that. Alright, so I've trimmed away the die-core sealant, the lap sealant, and I just use a razor knife to cut a nice rectangle, and then I end up having to get a flathead screwdriver just to kind of pull the sealant up. It was very flexible, so it was easy to come up. And you can see the Phillips head screw, so I'm just going to remove that and then pull the trim out of the slot. Alright, so we've got the new piece of trim in. We're starting it at the beginning of the rail. You can see you just kind of squeeze it and push it into the rail. And here at the very beginning is where we're going to put the, right there, we're going to put the screw back in. So we've got this channel and we've pulled the old section of trim out. You notice that there's these screws where the channel is attached to the camper, and you'll want to go through and just tighten those up, make sure everything is secure, because some of those tend to back out. It's that easy. Alright, so I've cleaned this area with some denatured alcohol and a rag. I just wiped to clean off the rail and make a good clean surface. Now I'm going to use the lap sealant, the self-leveling lap sealant in a caulk gun, just to fill in and cover the top portion of this area that we just put the new trim in. Alright, it's as easy as that. We'll just go around and do the same patch on the other side, and we'll put a little bit on the bottom just to seal that off, and that's a finished repair. So thanks for watching. We'll put the links to all of the parts down at the bottom of this video, and we appreciate you shopping at PartsPak.com, where there's outdoor fun in every box.